BSNL, that is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, has faced significant challenges, including lack of professionals, which has impacted its performance and competitiveness. Hence, BSNL is set to pay rupees 132 crore to Boston Consulting Group, that is BCG, for advisory services aimed at revitalizing the telecom company's operations. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The consultancy's focus areas will include reducing operational costs, that is, identifying and implementing strategies to streamline BSNL's operations, thereby cutting down unnecessary expenses and improving overall efficiency. Number two, improving revenue, that is, suggesting initiatives and strategies to enhance BSNL's revenue streams, which may involve new business models, product offerings, or optimizing existing services. Number three, providing better customer experience, that is, developing customer centric approaches to ensure better service quality and satisfaction, which can lead to improved customer retention and acquisition. Number four, leveraging emerging technologies, that is, advising on the adoption of new and emerging technologies to boost sales, optimize operations, and stay competitive in the fast evolving telecom sector. Number five, sales and marketing strategies. That means aligning BSNL's sales and marketing efforts with industry benchmarks to ensure they are effective and in tune with market demands and trends. To align Boston Consulting Group's interests with BSNL's goals, the consultancy firm will receive performance based incentives. This means that part of Boston Consulting Group's compensation will depend on the successful implementation and measurable outcomes of their strategies, ensuring accountability and motivation to achieve the desired results. The initial contract with Boston Consulting Group includes a provision for extension by 1 year. If needed, the contract can be extended on the same terms, conditions, and cost, providing continuity and stability in the advisory and implementation process. To execute the operation, Boston Consulting Group will establish a project management office at BSNL's corporate office in the capital to facilitate their advisory and implementation services. Going forward, BSNL is also looking at strengthening its business in the enterprise segment through cloud solutions, 5G captive networks, and Internet of Things, that is IoT solutions. Let's look into today's headlines. Adani Group eyeing to foray into India's digital payment and e-commerce spaces. The Adani Group is reportedly applying for a license to operate on India's public digital payments network and is in discussions with banks to finalize plans for a co-branded credit card. This can be seen as the conglomerate's significant efforts to diversify into the fast growing consumer markets of digital payments and e commerce. The group, led by billionaire Gautam Adani, is looking to expand its digital footprint by entering India's Unified Payments Interface, that is UPI network. Google might ditch Samsung and use TSMC made Tensor chips. Google could reportedly be shifting to Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, that is TSMC, for its Tensor chips, which would debut in 2025 Pixel smartphones. In 2021, Google partnered with Samsung to debut its in house Tensor chips. But that could change in 2025, though, with TSMC fabricating Tensor chips for Google. Tensor G5 chip, referred to as Laguna Beach, has confirmed that the chips will be made by the Taiwanese semiconductor chip maker. Apple inks deal with OpenAI for AI integration and keeps Google option open too. Apple has reportedly inked a deal with Microsoft backed OpenAI to integrate its artificial intelligence powered ChatGPT into the upcoming iOS 18 for iPhones. The Cupertino based technology giant is also pursuing a deal with Google to offer Gemini AI as an alternate option. Even if both the companies come to an agreement, it is unlikely that Apple will introduce Gemini powered features with its iOS 18. The government cracks down on SMS scammers by blacklisting principal entities. The government has blacklisted principal entities behind SMS headers that were used for sending over 10,000 fraudulent messages over the past 3 months. The Department of Telecom, in collaboration with the Ministry of Home Affairs to come down heavily on SMS scammers, has taken decisive action to protect citizens from potential SMS fraud through the Sanchar Sathi initiative. HCL Tech partners with ARM for custom AI silicon solutions. IT major HCL Tech and ARM have announced their collaboration to increase custom silicon chips that support AI driven business operations. HCL Tech's collaboration with ARM will contribute to the development of industry leading custom AI silicon solutions that will revolutionize the way AI workloads are addressed in data center environments. This will also enhance the computing efficiency of data center environments and meet evolving customer demands. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.